Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the California C60 Welding license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. With our study guides, you'll know everything you need to know about the C60 license and the exam and be ready to pass it. What is a C60 contractor license? A C60 license is issued to a contractor who causes metals to become permanently attached, joined and fabricated by the use of gases and electrical energy, which creates temperatures of sufficient heat to perform this work. Now, there are some basic requirements to get this license and some experience requirements. You have to be at least 18 years of age and have a valid driver's license and social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. The experience requirements, you have to have 4 years of full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document that experience, such as another licensed contractor, employer, supervisor, or business associate. What to expect during the test. The exam is a closed book. No reference materials or notes can be brought into the testing facility. The questions are set up as multiple choice in an ABCD format. There are some mathematical computations and a calculator will be provided. The testing's done on site and the results are immediate. Let's take a look at the exam and the way it's broken down. It's divided into 5 major sections: planning and estimating, 21%, welding preparation, 21% of the questions, welding, brazing, and soldering, 27%, cutting processes, 9%, and safety questions are going to be 22% of the exam. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. What is the minimum thickness of steel that is covered by the AWS D1.1 Structural Steel Welding Code? A. 1/8 inch. Number 2. The total steel for a project weighs 2.5 tons. If the steel costs $38 per 100 pounds, how much will the steel cost for this project? B. $1,900. And number 3, when welding with FECA, how can the operator control excess spatter? C. Shorten the stick out. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of ABCD questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.